Do you want the internet to pay you instead of you paying for internet bills every month? Yes, it is possible. And today, I will show you exactly how to earn money online in ways that are real, practical, and proven. The first way is freelancing. If you can write, edit, design code, or even type fast, you can sell your skills on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Millions of clients are looking for help every single day. And the best part is, you can work from home, or even from a coffee shop. And if you want me to make a separate video on exactly how to earn money step by step from Fiverr, then drop a comment below and I will make it for you. The second way is content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or blogging. When you build an audience, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. It does take time, but once your content grows, it can bring money even while you sleep. The third way is teaching online. If you are good at math, cooking, fitness, or even speaking another language, you can create classes on Skillshare, Udemy, or even host live sessions. People are always ready to pay for learning. The fourth way is affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend a product, drop a special link, and earn commission for every sale. The company does the shipping. You just connect the buyer and the seller and take your cut. The fifth way is digital products like ebooks, templates, courses, or stock images. You make it once and sell it forever, which means passive income that grows over time without you working every single day. The sixth way is e-commerce, like dropshipping or print on demand. Here you sell products without ever holding inventory. The supplier ships the orders and you focus on creating your store and marketing it. So friends, these are some of the best ways to earn money online. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Because the internet rewards those who take action, not those who only dream about it. And if you want more real strategies and practical tips to grow your income, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and join our community of future online earners, because your journey starts today.